All right, hey sixth graders, welcome back to Mr. Hansen's math class YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you find that this video has helped you with your homework assignment for this lesson, make sure you give the video a like as well. All right, today, so the video before we learned about the U.S. customary system, how to change it from unit to unit. Now in lesson 8.2, we're converting metric units, and there's a different way that we solve these problems, and it's on page 346 in your textbook, the metric conversion ladder. Okay, so say we are trying to, say a word starts with kilo. You start here. Well, let's just look at an example first. That'll be a lot easier. Okay, so example 1. During the 2005 Tour de France, Lance Armstrong was the stage winner from Tours to Blois. I believe that's how you say it. I don't know. I'm just guessing. Which has a distance of 67 and 5/10 kilometers. How many meters is this distance? So we have it's 67 and 5/10 kilometers. Okay, we want to change it to meters. Okay, so how we solve this? Looking at the table on page 346 or looking at the table here, kilos is here. Okay, so larger units to smaller movements. Move the decimal to the right, the same number of stairs you climb down, or you times 10 each step. Okay, so since we're at 67 and 5/10, we have to get down to meters. So the steps we take, 1, 2, 3 steps. So we move our decimal 3 places. 1, 2, 3. And then each spot we put a 0. So then the total amount of meters would be 67,400 meters. And then that would be your answer. It's that simple. Okay? Now it's nice when there is this table here for you. Okay? So each step you are multiplying or dividing by 10. So remember, a larger unit to a smaller unit, we're multiplying. Say we're going from meters to kilometers, we're dividing by 10. Okay, so we're multiplying by 10, 100, 1,000. So if we don't have that table there, we can go 67 and 5/10 times 1,000. Okay, but since we have the table, just move the decimal. Don't even worry about this, just move the decimal over. Okay, that's the lesson right there. Okay, now I'm just putting the same table here for each example. Okay, the width of a book is 22 centimeters. 22 centimeters equals how many millimeters? So we're going 22 centimeters equals blank millimeters. Okay, so again, we're talking about centimeters. So let's find centimeters first, which is right here, and millimeters, millimeters. Okay, so we're going down, so the unit's going to be bigger. So we start here, and then we go down 1 stair. So then we move the decimal to the right. Since we're going down, moving it to the right, we move it 1 place over. So 1. So it'd be 220 millimeters and 22 centimeters. Okay, remember, every number has a decimal point. Every whole number has a decimal point. In 22, remember, whole numbers, the decimal is behind the last digit. So it's 22 and, okay, that's where the decimal is at. So when you move the decimal over, just move it over to there. All right. We got one more example for this table. So we have a backpack has a mass of about 6 kilograms. 6 kilograms is equal to how many grams? So we have 6 kilograms equals blank grams. Okay, so let's look up here. So we start at kilograms and we want to get to grams. Well, grams in this middle section here. So we go 1, 2, 3 units down, and we're moving the decimal to the right because we're going down the stairs. So it'd be 6 and then decimal point 3 places. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it would be 6,000 grams. Or multiply by 1,000, because there's 3 zeros. Since you're going down 3 stairs, there's 3 zeros. So you just multiply, since we're going from larger to smaller. Oh, we got one more on this table, excuse me. Okay, so a water bottle holds about 400 milliliters. 400 milliliters is how many liters? Okay, so let's erase that. So we're trying to find 400 milliliters equals blank liters. Okay, so let's find milliliters first. Milli is at the very bottom, so we're right here. We're trying to find liters, which is up here. So now we're going up. So now we're going to be moving our decimal to the left. So how many stairs is that? 1, 2, 3 stairs. So we have to move our decimal 3 places. Or we have to divide by 1,000. So it'd be 1, 2, 3. So our answer would be 0.4 liters. Or you could put 0.400 if you want to, but the zeros don't represent anything. All right? Again, very easy when you have the table with you. So the textbook, it's on page 346 again, will help you immensely. Again, this is your key for the lesson. Okay, these are the last 2 examples. So we have 11 meters equals how many centimeters? So let's find meters right here, and we're trying to find centimeters, which is down here. So we're going to the right, so we're moving our decimal to the right. And how many times are we going down? 1, 2 times. So we move the decimal over 2 times. 1, 2. Or we just multiply by 100. So our answer would be 1,100 centimeters. Remember, larger unit to a smaller unit, we're multiplying. Smaller unit to a larger unit of measurement, we're dividing. Last one, 190 milliliters is how many liters? Okay, so let's erase what we have here. Find the milliliters, which is down here, and then find liters, which is up here. So now, how many stairs does it take? 1, 2, 3. In which direction are we moving? We're moving to the left. So we move the decimal to the left 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Decimal's right there, so it'd be 0.19. You can put the 0, you don't have to. So it'd be 1900th liters. Don't forget about your label as well, please, okay? I'm not going to dock you if you don't put the label on. Just don't forget about it. Start some good habits, okay? That's a lesson for you, okay? So remember, page 346, that will help you immensely with this table. I would put a bookmark in that so you can reference that page all the time, okay? Today's shout-out goes to... goes to Kendra, all right? She's been asking a lot of questions over via email, which is awesome. If you guys have questions, don't be afraid to email me directly, and I will answer those questions to the best of my ability. Miss you guys. I hope to see you soon. Again, subscribe to the channel, like the video if it was some good content and helped you out. Otherwise, wearing my Kansas gear today, so rock chalk. Peace out.